What is up today, guys? Welcome back to DK's Customs. And today we're working on Wyatt's motor. He's got a new motor for his truck, so we're gonna be putting that in. We're tearing it down right now. We're doing all new head gaskets, new intake gaskets, manifold, everything can get redone. Then over here we have Corey's truck. Oh boy, this camera sucks. There it goes. Autofocus. Corey, what are you working on?
Tearing primer front end, taking off the fender.
Taking off the fender?
Underneath here, there's a couple bolts to take off the fender. Going to pop out the dents of my fender.
Oh, okay.
And also, I kind of have to tear apart to remove these. Just makes it a little easier.
Oh, okay.
Give them more room.
There's that. And now there's something else in here I'm going to show you guys. And Rob, the guy that owns this, is going to be back in here, and I'm going to talk to him a little bit about it on camera. But I'm going to show you it right now. This thing is absolutely sick. So, he's got a little bit of a crawler project here. I can't remember the year of the Jeep or anything. Corey, do you remember the year of the Jeep?
I believe it's
95 or I think it's either an 89 or 90s model Jeep, and it's far from stock. He's done a lot of stuff with it, which is honestly cool. Like, he's even done his own custom stuff right here, which is just phenomenal. I mean, this thing is awesome. He's done his own fabrication to the frame. Instead of taking it off up there and moving it in, he cut it right here and moved it in instead, because whenever it articulates, it's going to swing in and touch here or whatever. He's made his own shock mounts. And then he made his armrest to it right here. And then up front, I mean, he said there's like 2,000 pounds of nitrogen in these shocks. So, I mean, they're really nice. There's well over 12 grand in this rig right here. And it's got a small block Chevy engine. It absolutely sounds mean.
See the shifter?
And, oh yeah, let's take a look at a shifter. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get it for you guys, but... where's that? See the shifter there? It's a universal, and he's got laser engraved. This Jeep is called Daddy Jeep, right there. And it's also got the shift labels on it. Wyatt, what'd you do over here? Oh, you made a mess. Yeah, so that's what Wyatt's doing. What are you doing now?
Getting the rest of this oil out.
All right, so he's getting the rest of the oil out. So.
Probably gonna need something to take his the oil filter off too.
Yeah, I'm gonna bring you guys back whenever we're working down into the motor more. Sorry that the videos haven't been so much there. The phone I was using broke, and I'm not sure how the video quality is on this one, but I'm gonna be getting another new phone here soon, so that way I can make these videos again. Oh, I don't think he's ever been on a video, so I'll introduce him. Over there's my buddy Corey. Corey, you wanna say hi? Corey! What? Want to say hello?
What's up?
That's Corey. And that's his Ranger. So he's got some cool stuff coming for that thing too, so maybe we'll get a little bit of a video of that. We're kind of just still working on this thing, but I'll bring you guys back whenever we most likely have the intake off. So, see you then. Hey guys, so we got that off. You want to show them in here? Show them what it looks like. For those of you that haven't seen the inside of this, this is what this kind of stuff looks like. I told you guys this is the kind of stuff that DK's Customs was going to be doing, and so finally we get to do it. Take a look around the shop that we get to work in now. It's a good buddy of ours that we've gotten to know. His name is Rob. He's got a YouTube channel that I might be able to figure out, put it in the description for you guys to follow him. He used to do stuff with RCs on there, so if some of you guys are interested in it, that's what he does. But there'll be more of the Jeep. You know, maybe one of these times whenever he goes out for a rock crawl or something, maybe we can go with him and get a little bit of that for him. And rebuilding this motor, there'll be more of this truck. There'll be more Demon, which isn't here at the moment because it's at the house. It's not functioning. Huh? Yeah, we're repping Wyatt's mommy's car right now. So, yeah. I just want to show you a little bit of this. Go ahead and walk over and take a look at what Corey's going to have him explain it.
Explain what you're doing, Corey.
What?
Explain what you're doing.
Taking primer front end so I can get to my bolts from the fender.
There's his truck.
I told you guys this is the kind of stuff that we're going to be doing, but again, I just wanted to give you guys a little bit of show what we're doing here and what these are and everything. So this is really Wyatt's project, but since I know what I'm doing, I really want to be here for it and to help him along because he's got limited time to have this engine in, fixed, and out. So I told him I'd come down and give him a hand with it, which I'm not sure if they've actually met you yet, Wyatt. He's the one holding the camera right now, so here, Wyatt, why don't you say hi?
Yeah, I'm Wyatt. I have the 1988 Chevy truck. 2500. It blew up a few months ago. We're getting a motor in it. We're gonna get her going.
Yep. And I'm not sure how to add any photos or anything yet, so you guys will just have to see the truck whenever it's in camera, which is not bad. It's sitting on 35. It's not a bad truck. It needs a little bit extra help, but that's what we're doing. So we'll see you guys here in a minute after we have manifolds off on both sides, or at least a head off on one side and then working on the other side. So that's what we're gonna be doing. So stay tuned for that. All right, guys. So we got it torn all the way down. We gotta clean the surfaces, maybe sand it a little bit. We got kind of a funny thumbnail that you guys will see. I showed you around the Jeep. So we have everything just about done. I think there's still one more gasket you need to get. Why? I think it is your oil pan gasket. They didn't give you that one.
Yeah.
Which is fine. Rob, I talked to him about this earlier. What year is your Jeep?
87.
87.
First year for the square headlights.
That's right. Huh? Oh yeah. Do you mind if your Jeep's in the video?
I don't care.
All right. Yeah, this thing's pretty nice. And it's loud. He doesn't have any... Yeah, it kind of screams. There's the muffler for it. This thing is cool. Now, are all these stickers they have on it actually like things that you go by, like the Ballistic Fabrications?
Yes, absolutely.
Really?
Well, some of them I used to have and don't anymore. BF Goodrich, I don't have BF Goodrich tires anymore.
Okay.
Excel Ignition, I don't have that anymore.
Now, are these people that actually have sponsored you, or are they non-sponsors? Or
No, just stuff I've always believed that you shouldn't have stickers unless you have their products.
Right.
I mean, that's the purpose of those. That's the purpose in racing.
Right.
You have their products, they'll give
Then
you
you-
money if you win. So, I've always been a bit of a stickler on that.
Have you ever won any tournaments with this?
I've never competed.
No. Like, yeah.
I know 2 years ago at Bantam, they did the RTI ramp.
All right.
No prizes, not really a competition, but I had the third highest score out of 2,000 Jeeps on the RTI ramp.
Oh, nice.
But it wasn't really a competition, but at least
Yeah.
I ranked well. Scored a 13-16 on the RTI ramp.
Oh, okay.
When I built it, I was hoping to hit 1,000, so I did good. 30% more than I expected. Did you ever see that image of it up on the ramp?
I don't think so. Yeah, this thing is definitely meaty. And how many years have you been working on this?
20.
20 years?
I've built it. This is the third time I've built it.
Have you had different variations of it?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, he made his own custom fenders. Own bumper.
Bumper.
Run
This was build number
quad
one.
rack.
That was the first time it was done.
Oh, okay.
This 4 inches lift, 31s.
Okay.
More rattle can paint.
Gotta do what you gotta do.
And that was this Jeep.
That was around 02 or 03.
Oh, okay. Did you ever think it was going to turn into something like this?
No. So that's on the RTI ramp.
Oh, okay. Wow.
So there's 46 inches under that left front tire.
Oh, okay.
What size tires were on it then?
Same ones, 35s.
Why? He's got the same size tires that your truck has.
Imagine if we put my wheels and tires on this.
They would look kind of cool.
They look just like those, really.
They're a little wider.
Yeah, he's got some really wide tires on
I
his.
think 35 1250s, aren't they?
Yeah.
That's what these are.
Oh,
At least mine just seems a little wider. I don't know why.
how wide are these?
1250.
12 and a half wide, pretty
Yep.
much. That's a really meaty tire. I like that.
Well, he has open fenders too. That's why it seems.
Yeah, they don't stick out anywhere.
Yeah, these are custom fenders, which I actually really, really like that. That is cool. The whole bumper thing.
Yours are kind of.
And Corey, what are you actually doing on your truck? Finishing up, putting things back together?
Yeah. Putting in fender well.
Oh, you got that pushed back out for the most part.
Yeah, so the light will actually
Go in.
stay up without
Duct
having
tape?
to tape it up.
That's cool. And so he's getting new headlights and taillights for his, LED bulbs. So this thing's gonna be fully set up. You should go and see if you can't find a bumper for this here soon.
Yeah.
I bet you can find one for like cheap.
Yeah, I think not Shunks, but that place up. I forgot what it was called.
Connors.
Connors. Yeah, he said he has a bumper, probably like $100
All right.
for one. You know, all
Alright.
painted, just bolt right back on.
Okay, nice. Alright, so if you guys did like this video, please like, comment, subscribe for more, and we'll see you next time. Peace.